If your formulation costs are rising due to TiO₂ price increases, introducing precipitated barium sulfate at the right stage offers a practical solution. There are two primary timing windows for adding this functional extender. First, when you need to optimize raw material costs without dropping performance, and second, when aiming to enhance topcoat gloss and film build. Liangjiang ultrafine precipitated barium sulfate, with particle sizes controlled between 0.2 and 0.7 microns, acts as a physical spacer. When replacing 10% to 20% of titanium dioxide, these ultrafine particles separate adjacent TiO₂ particles, reducing the crowding effect. This helps maintain hiding power while improving gloss and reducing overall raw material expenses. Cost optimization, crowding effect reduction, gloss retention, and stable hiding power. These define a balanced formulation adjustment. What percentage of TiO₂ are you looking to replace in your current formula? Share your target system in the comments below, or DM us directly to receive a formulation test report.